So, hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the problem that if you want to mine with more than one HTML wallet, the error that will show. So, first I will show you the error. If you open wallet 1, it would just start to load. Okay, just click through that and it will load. Yeah, okay, perfectly fine. We can open this wallet and this will probably be syncing right away. So if you want to open the second one, it will give us an error. Cannot obtain a lock on data directory. The HTMLCOIN core is probably already running. So today I will be showing you how to fix this problem. So what you want to do to solve that problem is, if you haven't downloaded the wallet yet, if you're just starting, then you go to www.htmlcoin.com. Then you'll just visit their site, and you can also read about the features, what the project is, and have some links to the wallet over here, and you have some pretty basic information on the downside of the page. So as you can see, you mine 1250 coins per block, and that's not a small amount of coins, because every 60 seconds a person that's mining gets a block, and there are over 90 billion coins around, like, at this time. So what you want to do is you'll go to this part of the web page where it says wallet, download your preferred HTMLCOIN wallet, and I'm using Windows, so I will be downloading the Windows wallet. Okay, just give it a few minutes. It goes to the next page, and then you have to click on Windows again, or on the other things like blockchain, Android, GitHub, or Mac OS X. So it's downloading now. If this is finished, you can basically close the web page. Okay, we're on my desktop right now. So the next thing you want to do is you can go to let's see, this PC. Well, my PC is in Dutch because I'm Dutch, so yeah, everything will be Dutch on the screen, but I think you will find the part you will need. Let's go to the C drive. We will make a new folder, and we'll just call it wallets, or because mine's already called wallets, I'll call it HTML wallets. Okay, so now you have to look up how many cores you actually have, because I have 8 cores, so that means I can run 7 wallets at a time. Well, I don't want to use my full CPU power. I don't want my CPU to be 100% all the time, so I will be using 5 wallets for this tutorial, just to show you. Well, actually I will make 2, because I just want to show you the way how to make more than 1 wallet running at a time. So check on this. If you have 4 of these graphs, you just can, I think, yeah, you can run 3 or 2 wallets. Okay, so we go to this folder, we make new folders. We call this 1, 2, oh shit, 2 and 3. Okay, I will be making 3 wallets now. Okay, then you open a new tab here, and you'll go to your download folder. Okay, you've just downloaded this. Let's see, where is it? Too many files. It's over here. Yeah, the HTMLCOIN, and then what's behind it, 2.0.0.4 setup. Okay, so we'll be launching this. Yes. Next, then we'll be changing this destination folder. So we browse to the folders we just made. So we go to HTML wallets, then choose folder 1, press OK. Next, well, personally, I don't like to create a shortcut for this, so I'll just disable that. Then it's making your wallet. Just uncheck this box and then press finish. So rerun the script again, open this, browse, and then go to your destination folder we've just made, HTML wallets, choose to, bam, like this, and you'll get the idea. So just do this for all your wallets, and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, as you can see, I've filled this 3 boxes or 3 folders with the HTMLCOIN wallet. What you want to do next is go to the first folder, open it, and make a shortcut to the desktop like this. Let's see. Have one shortcut, then go back to the main folder. And just basically do this with all your wallets. And yeah, if you have like 28 wallets, this will take some time. So we have number 2. As you can see, it just automatically makes this number 2. Then we go to number 3. Copy this to your desktop and like this. Okay, so we want to open Notepad right now. Just open Notepad. And now we're gonna make the script that allows you to run multiple wallets at a time. So we'll be opening properties on the first one over here, and then you just copy this piece of path. Okay, then you will add this data there equally is like this, and then you'll open this one and then open the file location like this, and then you copy this behind the data there. Okay, then the last thing you add is listen 0, and then you're pretty much done. You copy this to here, and because this is number 1, you can just leave this as it is. Press OK. Press OK and everything will be fine. Okay, then we open number 2, properties, paste this, but then we need to change something. We need to change this 1 to a 2, and then we go all the way back to the beginning and change this one to a 2 as well. Okay, and then for the rest of your wallets, like this, make this a 3, make this a 3, and we're done. Like this, we can close the notepad, we can close this, and as you can see, if I open wallet 1 like this, it will be loading. Okay, this will do the syncing part. So we can now also open the second one and the third one all at once, which will give you a greater advantage in getting coins or mining blocks. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. It's really simple. As you can see, I just did it in a few minutes, and if you pause the video, you can probably follow my steps. Let me know in the comments what you think of my idea and my way of doing this, and if you have a better way or just want to say something to me like you did this wrong, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to leave a like and share this video for your friends or other people who want to mine the HTML coin with more than one wallet. We can all support this coin, and it will be really awesome if it can grow bigger. So as you can see, this is pretty much it. We just made multiple wallets run at once. It's a really basic and small thing. Just share it with everyone you know who wants to mine HTML coin, and let's all support the coin because I think it's an amazing coin. And yeah, just mine your shit. It's free. Okay, well, you pay for the electricity, but yeah, well, I run on my laptop. I have about, I think, 4 blocks a day if it's a good day. So 4 blocks a day means 1 block is equal to, I think, $4 or $5. So that's pretty good if you ask me. As I said before, support the coin, leave a like on my video, and share it with everyone who wants to mine the HTML coin. Thanks for watching. Bye.